What's up, guys? So we're gonna be making a steak today. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get the steak seasoning, Montreal steak seasoning. It's really good. So I'm gonna get this seasoning on here. Flip it over. Other side. And then I just want to evenly get the seasoning on the steak. Just like so. Alright, so now your steak is seasoned, guys. So now we're outside. We want to get our steak on the grill. Just like so. So, I'm gonna be cooking it on just a little low because it's kind of a thick piece, so it can cook all the way through. So, yep, we're just gonna leave this here, close the lid, and wait a few minutes. Alright, so it's been a few minutes. Just gonna keep flipping the steak. I'm gonna try to cook it medium rare. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I'm just gonna close the lid again. And yeah. So our steak is starting to become this nice brown color, but it's not quite done yet. You can tell when you push down on the steak, there's not as much like bounce back. So I'm gonna let it cook a little more. Yeah, it's not completely done yet, so we're gonna just let that sit there, close the lid, and yep. Alright guys, so pushing down on the steak now. The steak's pushing back, and just picking it up here, you can kind of see. Steak's almost ready. Just let that stay there for a few more seconds. And it should be done soon. Yeah, that steak is almost done. So, alright, I think that steak is done. So, I'm going to turn off the gas. And I might get the steak on a nice plate. Alright, I'll see you inside. Guys, so if we look at Juice WRLD's I'll Be Fine lyrics, you could see here, now I'm eating steak and eggs when it's lunchtime. And if we look at the time down here, we could see 1:52, so it's about lunchtime. So we're going to be making Juice WRLD's lunch. Guys, so I quickly made some eggs, and I put them on this the plate with the steak. So yeah, guys, this is Juice WRLD's lunch. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to like and subscribe, and maybe share with your friends. So yeah.